Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling all media auto-download when connected on Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the familiar green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the page. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the WhatsApp settings page. Step 4. Tap Storage and Data to access the storage and data settings. Step 5. Under the Media Auto Download section, tap When Connected on Wi-Fi. This allows you to customize your media download preferences while on Wi-Fi. Step 6. Unmark all the options listed. By doing this, you will disable auto-download for all types of media. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. By following these steps, you can disable all media auto-download when connected on Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. This will help you save data and control what gets downloaded to your device. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.